Now, students, I'm going to teach you the prose lesson from Unit 1 called Two Gentlemen of Verona by A.J. Cronin. Two Gentlemen of Verona. Now, what is Verona? Verona is the name of a city in Italy. Okay, so it's talking about two gentlemen who came from that city. Characters mentioned here are Nicola, who is 13 years old boy, Jacopo, 12 years old boy, the author, the driver Luigi, and Lucia, the sister of the two boys. Introduction. The author A.J. Cronin is a writer, dramatist, and physician. Physician means a doctor. Most of his works are based on medical field. Because he is a doctor, his works are based on medical field. He is a well-known storyteller of the 20th century. Many of his works come as teleserials. That is, whatever he's written, some stories are also taken as television serials. This story, Two Gentlemen of Verona, depicts the story of two teenage brothers who did odd jobs every day. Gist of the story. Gist means a shortened form of the story. The author happened to see two brothers in the outskirts of Verona city. They sold wild strawberries. The driver Luigi stopped him not to buy the fruits, and they will get fresh fruits in the city. So while coming in the car, this author happened to see the two brothers. They were selling wild strawberries. Author wanted to buy strawberries, but the driver said, no, don't buy from here. We get nice fresh strawberries from the city. But the author bought some fruits from the boys. Even though the driver stopped him, still the author bought some fruits. The next day, he happened to see two brothers are shining the shoes of the public in the square. So now here the next day, he is seeing those two boys again. Now they're shining shoes, polishing shoes. The elder one is Nicola, 13 years old, and younger one, Jacopo, is 12 years old. Both the boys doing so many works in a day. What are the works that they did? They sold wild strawberries, they polished the shoes, they acted as tourist guides. Okay, tourist guides means taking people to many different historical places and explaining about the places to the foreigners who come in the city. They sold newspaper till midnight. The author's help. The author admired on seeing the activity of the brothers beyond the age limit. So these two brothers were doing work beyond their age. He wanted to help them. At first they resisted. Resisted means they did not want to get the help of the author. Then the younger one, Jacopo, hesitatingly, that is not so happily, asked him to drop them in the nearby village Poleto, which is situated 30 kilometers away from the city. The narrator eagerly accepted. So what the younger boy, very hesitatingly, he told, can you drop us by this village called Poleta, which is situated 30 kilometers from the city. And the narrator said, yes, I will drop you. On Sunday, the 3rd, started their trip to the village. Nicola directed the car to the village Poleta and asked to stop the car before a big villa which is red tiled. So Nicola was trying to tell the directions to that place, and they stopped the car in front of one big villa, big house like that, which is red color tiles were there, like our school, St. George's. Immediately, the two of them got down and vanished inside the villa. Suddenly, these two boys, they disappeared. Vanished means disappeared inside the big house. Now the narrator's curiosity increased. The narrator was now curious to know what is happening, why these two boys told to stop here, and now suddenly they disappeared. He wanted to know the whereabouts of the boys. He rang the bell of the villa. There came a well uniformed nurse and admitted him. So he rang the bell, and one nurse came out and asked him to come in. The villa transformed into a hospital. Now, before then, I want to tell you the heading is The Secret of the Boys. What is the secret behind the two boys? The villa transformed into a hospital. So this villa is now used as a hospital. The two boys busily talking with the girl of 20 years, having the features of the boys. There's one girl, 20 years old girl, and these two boys, they're talking to her. That girl also has the same features of the boys. The nurse said that the girl's name is Lucia and she is the sister of the boy. So this author asked the nurse, who's this girl these boys are talking to? So the nurse said that this girl's name is Lucia and she is the sister for these two boys. She is under treatment for tuberculosis of the spine. Now this girl, she's got TB of the spine. He wanted to hear. Now I made a change there. It's not H-E-R-E, it's H-E-A-R. He wanted to hear the story of the boys. The nurse is eagerly waiting to tell about them. So now this narrator is asking, tell the story of these two boys, and the nurse is telling the story. Their father is well-known singer in the city. So their father is a great singer. Few years before, there was a war which broke out in the city. During the early part of the war, the father of the family died. So in that war, during that war, the father, he is great singer, he died. These children lost their mother years back, long time back itself, their mother died. Then in the middle part of the war, a bomb devastated their house. So suddenly there was a big bomb that fell on the house. Now they don't know where to go. So they stayed in the street and also in the open air. Their house itself was blasted and therefore they didn't have any place to stay, and these three of them, they stayed in the streets. After some days, they built a home using broken items available in the street. With the broken items, they built one small house. After the war, the city came in the hands of Germany. The boys hated Germans. Once there started a resistant movement, the boys joined in that at first. So Germany captured this place. And these boys did not like these Germans. They even joined that resistant movement against the Germans. Continuation of the secret of the boys. After 3 long years, they struggled a lot, and when the city was liberated, the boys came to see their sister Lucia. So for 3 years, these boys struggled, and once the city was liberated from the hands of the Germans, they came to see their sister. What's her name? Lucia. She was terribly attacked by tuberculosis of the spine. At that time only, they came to know that their sister was attacked by this disease, TB disease. They admitted their sister in the hospital for treatment. Because of worse situation, the hospital authority is in need of paying bills. So every Sunday, the boy is supposed to pay the hospital bills. So now, because the hospital needs bills to be paid, therefore these boys had to pay the bills for their sister's treatment, and so for that only the two brothers doing odd jobs. The nurse said that is why they're doing all kinds of jobs to be able to make the payment for their sister's treatment. Now the narrator understands the position of the boys and left out and waited for the boys near the car. So now the narrator did not go in and see their sister quietly. He just went out and stood as if he doesn't know anything like that. Because these two boys, they wanted to keep everything as a secret. So the narrator did not want to disturb them. He did not want to ask them any questions. So quietly he went and stood out as if he did not know anything about them. After a while, the boys got inside the car and then no one talked till they reached the city. The boys are very happy that they maintained the secret without telling to the authors. The boys, they were quiet, they never spoke anything, and they were thinking that the author did not know any story, anything about their secret. Now coming to the conclusion, students, what is what we understand from this lesson? We understand that war had not broken their spirit. That is, war did not break the spirit of these two small boys. Their selfless action brought a new life. They sacrificed themselves, their youth, their childhood, everything, so that their sister will get life. Gave promise of a great hope for human society. So they are giving a promise to the for the human beings, that there is a hope, that when you work hard, when you do something, definitely the things will work out positively in our life. So this is what we understand from this lesson.